channel, and this is your 3D printing news update. National Defense Magazine has recently posted an article about a company in Oregon called Delta P Design Incorporated, and they've actually developed a new type of 3D printed suppressor for the M2A1 machine gun. The problem with suppressors and weaponry, according to the owner, is the fact that it's easy to suppress a rifle or pistol, but when you deal with an automatic weapon with a large round, it creates a lot of gases which blow back in the operator's face. Their new design is actually taking care of that in their patented, what they refer to as quick drain technology, which can only be 3D printed. It can't be machine tooled. So the new technology will work extremely well for NATO rounds and will be used for NATO militaries. And the actual cool thing about it is the fact that with 3D printing, it allows them to print on demand, and also in testing, it's actually survived better than the gun has. And nearly 1,000 rounds, quick fire, the actual barrel burned up before the 3D printed suppressor did. Another really cool advantage to the technology is the fact that with this particular design, they don't have to make a one-size-fits-all. They can have the design ready to go, and as different platforms come along, they can just fire up the design, slightly modified, and then send to the printer and print. So it's a great step for the suppressor technology operators, and also is a great step in terms of additive manufacturing and being used in military applications. So we look forward to seeing what Delta P does with this, and hearing some good news from this report. So thanks for watching, and check out some of our other videos on the Additive Guru channel and other news briefs, and have a good one.